Food always tastes better if it's about to expire. There you go, $6.99 for half a cake. You can keep your New Year's resolution. It's half the calories of a regular cake. So we're looking through the clearance aisle this day, and ooh, liquor, boys. What's this? Salted caramel Canadian whiskey? That's a crime. Who puts salt and caramel in there? That's why you didn't win any gold medals in hockey this year. You were too busy ruining whiskey for the world. Oh, excuse me, buddy. Sorry about that. Anyway, let's see what we can learn here tonight in the bargain bin. Mincemeat is something I've always put in the same category as head cheese, as something that's got to be so disgusting you would never eat it. This company's been making mincemeat for 300 years or more. So let's take a look exactly what is in mincemeat. What kind of nasty, disgusting meat is in here? ... Focus, damn it. Stupid iPhone. Apples, sugar, water, raisins, distilled vinegar, cornstarch, rum, orange peel, sea salt, brandy, spices, orange juice, tapioca syrup, and salt. No meat in mincemeat. Mincemeat exposed. So there you go, vegans. If you want to add something to your vegan repertoire, you can put mincemeat pie in there and fool your friends. Excellent. Anything else? Ooh, fidget spinners. Awesome. The trend is not dead yet. Very nice.